So, sir, you have just decorated with your new rank by the president. How do you feel?
First of all, I thank the Almighty Allah for making it happen. Secondly, I equally feel elated. It is a sign of recognition of hard work and, of course, of more responsibilities coming along my way. It gives me more zeal to do my job the way it should be done.
So what assurance can you give the president and the nation?
No doubt, I give a double assurance as being in place, and I'll put in my best with all forms of loyalty to the latter.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.